All right, so today we're going to continue building out our search page. We are going to be learning about the Sitecore Search UI library, and we're going to be using its Accordion Facets, the Accordion Facet component that they have built for us. Let's just take a quick look at what we have to build. So we're going to have the search results here on the right, and then here this is not technically an accordion, but most likely I'm going to show the accordion because most likely your solution is going to have several facets, and it's going to look something like this, right? So here's the accordion facets, and I'm going to show how to use this. Okay, so let's just jump in. I'm going to go to the search page, and where we left off yesterday or last session is we have all the articles and we have the facets. So I'm going to go ahead and well, first of all, I'm going to go ahead and so if it's loading, it's going to just make it say loading. I'll make that look prettier later. And if it's not loading, we're going to see this. And I am going to use Bootstrap. I'm just going to build out a quick grid. On mobile, I'm going to have it full width. This is the left side, the filters. And then on desktop, I'm going to have it, let's say, 1/3 width for now. And then on the other side, it's going to be and we're going to have it as call 12, call LG 8. Okay. So this is the left side column, and inside here we're going to put our accordion facet. We're going to put that. So the best way, there's a couple ways to do this. There's this documentation here. It will walk you through it. For me, I found the easiest way. There's also this page. I'll link these both in the description. You'll see all these pre-built widgets, and it's very useful just to copy and lift the code from here. So I'm just going to find one without styles. You can choose a styled one if you'd like. Basic, I believe I want. I could have taken this whole thing actually. And here we go. I'm just going to copy this accordion facets root. And I am just going to copy the import accordion facets. I don't want all this stuff. So, okay, so we're just going to copy it in here. And then accordion. It's going to help me? No? Never mind. Still not going to help me? Never mind. I will go get it from here then. Accordion facets from Discovery UI. Okay. On Facet Click. This I commented out before. The code's a mess, so I'm going to clean this up later. I'm going to still be using some of this stuff. So on Facet Click, we're going to be using that. Facet names, we have it called as facets. So we're just going to change that. And facets, why is that not working? Okay, can I be used as an index type? So we'll just create an index. And it's not display name, I think we just have it called name, is it? Name. Okay. Or is it the trigger that we want here? Or is it's probably, the trigger is going to be the label. That's going to be, um, that's going to be this part right here. This is going to be the trigger, I believe. So we want that to be the label. Index, facet value, and the check icon. I don't know where this is coming from. For now, I'm just going to put an X. You can put whatever kind of SVG or image or symbol you want in there. Just leave it as an X for now. And then this should, still seeing some red here, but this should be, where's the red coming from? You cannot find module. I think this is a different one. We have, we're using package.json. We're using Sitecore Search UI, not Sitecore Discover. Okay, this is a different library. For Accordion Facets. Come on. Accordion Facets. Let's go to here and get it from, here it is. This is this is actually from the older one. This is from the Discover UI, and this one is from Sitecore Search UI. So I will link both of these in here. Just make sure you're importing the right package. Okay. That should resolve that. And facet ID, it wants a string. So facet dot name. And then this cannot find facet item. Update import. Key can be facet dot name. Okay. There we go. And then let's take a look at our facet. Okay, and here we go. There is our accordion. We don't have any results yet, so let's do that real quick. I'm going to change this. What I'm going to be using here, we have this thing called a page card. It's used across the whole website, and I'm going to be using the page card. Let's see what kind of data is inside of our articles. We have a description, an image URL, a name, page category, slug. Okay. And then I'm going to go here to the page card props. We have image, title, but let's just do the required ones for now. So image, title, and I want a slug, and then the href. Okay, so this is going to be image URL, name. I'm going to copy all these actually. Copy object. And we're just going to keep the ones we want. I don't want these. We want image URL. We want the name, page category, publish date. We don't want. We are going to want the slug. Source ID, subtitle, tags, no, type, no, URL, yes. Okay, these are the ones we're going to keep. String. String. All right, and then we have, okay, so, and we're going to import that page card now. Article, I'm going to just change the name of this. They're not really articles. I'm going to call it item model. Instead of articles, we're going to call them items. We don't need that anymore. Okay, and then I am going to import the card. Import page card. And then inside of here, we're going to do items.map. Just null check it. And each one is going to be a div. Call 12, call MD6 on tablet. We're going to have it half, and then on desktop it'll be 4. And inside of here, I'm going to put the page card. It's not going to like that. We're going to be missing some attributes. Format. Okay, href is item.url. Slug is item.slug. Title is going to be the name, I believe. Item.name. And image is item.imageURL. Type string has no properties. Okay, so it wants a Sitecore field. I'm going to change that later just to make this a little bit faster. I'm going to do this instead. I'm just going to restructure the data so that it fits with the definition. Constant equals. It's expecting a Sitecore field, so it'd be value source item.image. And alt would be item.name. Okay. Okay. right, we see our results. Okay, the grid's a little bit screwed up. I'm not going to spend too much time on this. Oh, I need to create another grid inside here. Oh. All right. Okay, here we go. Here's our grid on the right, and then page category, or here are the filters on the left. I'm also going to I also need to know the total results. So I'm going to add that. It's total items it's called. So I'm going to put that up here. Total items. Okay. And then I'm also going to show you one more thing. In the default facet types expanded list, you can put whichever one you want expanded. So I want page category to be expanded. Is that going to work? Or is it going to be underscore? I think this would have to be, that's the label, I think page underscore category. And I can make that one default to open. Okay. So that is it. I'm not gonna, we can just verify this is working. I have 93 total items. I'm going to do this. Now we have 48. We just have the insight pages now. I'm going to show the content. We're going to have only 17 now. Our work, there's going to be 16 showing. And this is going to be, we have it set as or right now, so it could be our work or insights, which would be 48 plus 16. And we have the insights and our work. That should be about it. I'm going to turn the camera off for a second, and I'm going to style this to make it look nicer, and I'm going to clean up the code. For me, I only have this one facet, so this accordion is not really necessary. I'm just going to map over some inputs and some labels elements and attach this on facet click function to them. But I wanted to demonstrate how to use the accordion facet because this is the most commonly needed scenario. Okay, so I'm going to shut off the camera for a second, and I will show you the end result. So here is it's not the finished product. We still have two more things that we need to do here. We still need to put this input box here so that the user can search by keyword. And also as of now, the user can't paginate through. So I will be, in our next session, I will be implementing the pagination component from the Sitecore Search UI. So until then, thanks.